I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Klarna wallet is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're in the app, look for the Wallet section, usually found in the bottom menu. Tap on it to enter your wallet settings. Step 3. Select Add Card. In the Wallet section, find and tap the Add Card option. This will prompt you to enter your credit card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Save and confirm. After entering your details, tap Save or Confirm. You should see a confirmation message that your card has been added successfully. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is valid and not expired. Adding a card is usually quick, but sometimes a temporary hold on your account can cause delays. I hope this helps you set up your Klarna wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.